So in this follow along, I just want to show you how to use AWS cost and usage report to get that spreadsheet, okay? And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna go up the top right corner here, you're gonna go to My Billing Dashboard, and you're gonna make your way to the cost and usage reports here on the left-hand side, okay? And then once you get here, we're gonna have a nice big blue button that we can press to create our reports. Let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna need to give this a name. So we're gonna say my use cost and usage, okay? And we can include additional resource IDs here. I'm gonna just hit next. And then we need to configure where it goes. So I'm gonna create a new bucket. So I'm just gonna say EXP for Exam Pro, cost and usage, okay? And it's going to put that in the US East 1 region there, okay? I'll hit next. And then we have this nice big policy it wants. So we'll say save that, okay? And then we can choose to what detail that we want. I'll leave it for hourly. That's total. Or no, we'll say daily. That's probably more ideal there. We'll create a new version of this report. And now for easy integration, we do have those options there: Athena, Redshift, and QuickSight. But we are just going to leave this as B. I'm going to make a zip because I want to make my life really easy here. Just because if I download to my local computer, I want to be able to unzip that with very little effort here. I'm going to hit next. And what we can do here is go hit review and complete. Okay, and so now it is going to deliver that. So in the next 24 hours, your first report will be delivered to an Amazon S3 bucket you configured during this report creation. So we're just gonna have to wait for this creation, and I will come back here and download and show you that report, okay? All right, so it's been 24 hours and I went over to my S3 buckets here and I searched for that bucket that I created. And then I just drilled down. So if you just click through to that bucket, okay, so I go into here and then there's this folder that has no name, okay, and then you go into cost and usage and then you go into here, then you're gonna see another folder, you click into there and then we can get that CSV zip, okay? And so that's going to have a zip, which contains a CSV file, and that's going to give us that raw data, which I've opened up here in Excel. And so you can see there's a lot of data here. And so it's up to you to make sense of this data, but at least you can see you get all the raw data from cost and usage. And of course, I mean, the huge advantage here is that you can integrate this into QuickSight and Athena to analyze it within AWS, okay? So there you go, that is a cost and usage.